Ade fefa ye hu oja semamwe aye Ewurade adomara kwa na adom ya to yenso sabre megina okuapama manchen du so ato santi fibre ko kampredi antua fom ya no etimi so ko je Ghana man ohene kwa dada kire man ohene kufu sabre mponko to bi je kanseme kuku owi afi na nanama ye ne eli pinti na sa fonton from ye le fonton from sa pinti ni ko sia metima bojam ni ye le entekrema ibrebo oja semari dam akuapam kitikitikiren ni titiru ene jaseman megina nana Awuku Kissiedu odikan ene egwampore asuna hene nyina anamu ne dajasema nyina ase ma nia aye nia ye ade fefe e ma ye nyina ye ma obibi o ha kwaba. On behalf of the chief of Egwampore Asuna clan, I want to welcome all of you to this prestigious clan. Asuna is the clan among the 8 clans of Akan. Asuna is the greatest and the largest. It is a clan that prides itself with extreme beauty. That's why all of you, all the ladies over here, look so beautiful. After the initiation rite, your beauty will be enhanced. You have extra beauty because it's assumed that this is the only clan that has most beautiful lips. Clap for yourselves. Good. So we are here today. We've organized ourselves to welcome you and also initiate you into this prestigious clan. You are welcome. Okay. Hello. My dear friends from the diaspora, please, before I proceed, I want us to do some short introduction. You introduce yourselves before Nananam finally introduce themselves. So I will start with my dear mother over here. You introduce yourself, mention your name, where you're coming from.
My name, given to me from the United States, is Kim Whitley. I am from Los Angeles, California. said my white man. I lived in Sudan.
My name is Joshua Whitley, and I come from the United States, Los Angeles, California.
Good job.
My name is Burton Rory. I'm from the United States and live in Los Angeles. Thank you.
I want to read it.
My name is Amy Weiner from the United States, Los Angeles.
My name is Keith Williams. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. So pleased to be here. Thank you.
My name is Nikki Jennings. I'm from Washington, D.C.
My name is Mari Morrow from U.S. Los Angeles, California.
My name is Robert Morrow. I'm from the United States.
Friends, opinion at Dapa. I am film penny for the back on.
Mr. Adapa is one of the elders in the palace.
You so a friend and now a sipedi. A yabusia penny mampong.
Nana ACPB is also a clan head, family clan, or family head at Mampong.
Yeah, Odiso, yeah, or Safonyene, I'm a beata, or your man is Safonyene.
Yes, the chief warrior of this town. Now,
Nia, Ediso, yeah, Opinion, Okra, Ohina Awuku and no sympathy and no offer. And I was fancy. Wafa Sammy. Actually,
Uncle, especially, he's the chief of staff of the chief of Awuku. The chief of staff to the chief of Awuku. Yes.
yeah, what is so me? Also, my friends and our answer. Our okay.
This is Nana Fansa. He is the chief of all those who have settled in the town. Those who are not in the
Papa, you're to wait so on Mangning in our young secretary. Only
Charles.
Charles, sorry.
This is Mr. Charles Asari. He is the secretary to the chief and the secretary of the whole community.
New Odiso, or here and Necra. And now,
Yes, the soul of the chief. Soul of the chief. Good. It's the spiritual cleanser. So any time that spiritually they want to cleanse the chief and the stools, is the one who takes that initiative.
New Odiso, answer ye. Frank.
Nana person to
You be so announced somewhere.
Nana for him. Of the staff. The sword, yes, the sword bearer. He's the sword bearer of the whole community. Every time that they want to install a chief, he will hand over the sword to the newly installed chief to swear. Yes, he's in charge of that.
Now,
Nana assign Bediako. Bantuangene. Anytime that you want to absorb, consult the chief. Yes, it is like Attorney General.
Fena yako. Aduma lempon so. Eye. Ana wadaru mo. Ohina otigwa mani ti. Ena wa tinidi a wo fia manane abai. Ofreni say Asuna hene nana Awuku Kissiedu. Ono no a owu abrempon. Owu ahemfe. Otu brim or the brim west so nana wadaru nkwanso.
Finally, I'm introducing the Asuna, the chief of the Asuna clan. It's called Nana Awuku Kissiedu first. The Asuna clan is from this clan that the main chief of this town is selected. Anytime that we want to select any chief, when a chief passes on and we want to install another chief, the chief is always selected from this clan. So now that you've been initiated, you are going to be initiated into this clan. In future, any of you can be an developmental chief of this community. Have you gotten the picture that I'm painting? So he is the final authority of this clan. And he's the one, anytime too that they want to install any chief, is the one who he involves himself or is involved in the selection process. Yes, it takes a very critical role in the selection process. Nana Awuku Kissiedu the first. Yes.
Nana mo wobeto wonyina namu ema wonyina apaba ma wonga fiti aba.
On behalf of Nana Awuku Kissiedu, his chiefs and elders, the entire community of Amadokum want to welcome you once again into this august and memorable family. You're welcome.
Virginity. Also, was I say, Opamana Jinsa, I didn't just cook Jinsa. Oh, I've read Jinsa, and then, and next, Asuna put about that. See, I'm what's in us? Oh, see, but in our trap. Ogira kuma ene ya kosida ya ogira kuma dia churu crap man ene America Los Angeles for mobile kwaso
And back.
arrange ko bi masa fro bi o en asembo e ni je ene kwaso Ghana man ene abochiri man ayen kabo yen kwaso yes France, now you just so good. Oh, America, man. And I know good about that. Woman of my day, that's in the power, and Chiasso. Now, Nempasu, here in the move. I am for a while. Traffic. Nanam fine. Basu. Nana, oh yeah, Uncle Grandjay, Uncle. Oh, Nana Frank, I'm doing Uncle. Nana, I'm for a while in Uncle. What's up in Uncle? I was up in Uncle. Nearby a bush, and it's Sunday.
Anything is a praise. You pray for
What man did that?
And that day, no one had the fear. One about one edger and one and ten. What buying a year, Nana Sunny on a day. Also, baby, and a bite will be your friend. Why do you send a man will go or dinner? What will going on Tiase no on yet? And now my wounding for near Odican.
All that she's saying is that you've been able to trace your ancestral lineage. Today, you've gotten a new home. This is your new home. Okay? Yes. And you are going to give you a new name. We are going to give you a traditional name, a Ghanaian name, because this is your second home. You'll come back here. Yes, you'll be able to trace your ancestral lineage. You come back to your roots. Today we are going to give you a special name, and then the original name, the name that you deserve. This is your original name. Yes, this is your original name. Yes.
And then, what about Papa? Oh, Papa to do. And then bring out Papa the Mawo, the Amajan Fia.
All that she's saying is that is the father, when a child is born, is the father that names the child. Today you are in your father's home. Your father is going to give you a name. And the real name that your father is going to give you is Ama Jemfua. Ama Jemfua. Ama means you were born on Saturday. So Ama, every Ghanaian child, Akan child that is born on Saturday, if it is female, is called Ama. So Ama, and the Akan name that is given to the is given in addition to the Ama is Jemfua. Jemfua. Say Ama Jemfua. Say it. Ama Jemfua. Ama Jemfua. 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 Ama Jemfua. Jemfua.
And you call me that.
Yes. So, henceforth, she is no more called the name that you know in America. She is called Ama Jemfua.
Ama. Me frau Ama se mame Ama. Ama. Ya tu din. Udin. Ya tu din. Ya tu din. Okay. Sir, Ama. Seed. This one.
Ancestors.
Yes.
This one for you.
This there.
Open your mouth.
I'm
a dem.
Eat it. So, this is the initiation rite that we are performing. There's nothing wrong with this. She needs water.
Waba, Tanase. Waba, Tanase, Ahanufi, what?
Ama, this is your home, your original home. You need to settle over here. This is your original home. So you are now welcome to your original home, your ancestral home. Good. Yeah, and you are supposed to settle over here. Now doesn't mean you're supposed to stay here, no. But anytime that you want to come to Ghana, this is your home.
I get to stay in this house?
Yes. Yes. We have a lot of rooms. Yes. So anytime that you come to Ghana, this is your home.
Ama ni Catherine ni ameye okwo baby aha eni ni fi biribia ye be ye wa ha ye be friend wa manone na wa ba shirankan ye wo huru nan ase dodo shiranka wo
If you wash your feet, this tells you that anytime that you are at anywhere, remember that this is your home. Anytime that we are doing anything that we invite you, any program, if it is Odra Festival, anything, you need to come and assist. This is your home. So anytime that we call on you, you need to quickly come. Yes. Just come and assist us. Good.
You say thank you.
So this is your home. Yes, any responsibility that is supposed to be shouldered by the family members, because you are part of the family, you must also take part. I got to the picture. Yes, any responsibility that is supposed to be shouldered by all the clan members, because you are part of this family, you must also take part in it. Not necessarily coming home. Yes, you can also send something. Yes, good.
I can send something.
Yes.
Let us you. I'm a brat. Nana, that's the other. I feel what I so.
Showing that he gave you a give name, which is Hamilton for. So the kid is on it. Cameraman, why are you bring
Ama, where Sibia? Who could you say Fienny? Abraham. Yes. Thomas. Congratulations. I'm a grown ass. Who could come with a hanusi? Who could they be a breast?
We are washing your feet just to tell you that you and this is your traditional ancestral home. This is your traditional ancestral home. You are part of the family. Any decision that is made in the family, you are part of it. Anytime that you want to make it, we will call on you to also bring your view. Anything that we can't do it without you. We also invite you. We take your views. Anything at all. Because you are part of the family, you must. And as soon as you come to Ghana, you land at the airport. This is your home. You have to come here first. This is your home. Come and greet Nana and his elders and your family members. All the people over here are your family members. Yes. Traditionally, we don't use jug. We use this calabash. Traditionally, this is what we use. We don't use cup or jug. We use calabash.
Oh, calabash.
Yes, traditionally. Water is life. The water that you've been given signifies that you've been accepted into your original home. You've been rebirthed. That's why you've been given a new name. Amakwe Sibia.
Yeah.
Amakwe
Sibia.
Yeah. Amakwe Sibia. Good.
Give you a new name. So the king is going to present you with
Amma. Ashiremia. Amma. And now, Papa.
Okay. Come down.
Within the Ama Ashiri, Mia.
Woman is you. So we are not
We are washing your feet to signify that you've been accepted wholeheartedly into this family. This is your ancestral home. Anytime you come to Ghana, this is your home. This is where you are supposed to come first. As soon as you land in this country, that's where you are supposed to come first. Because this is your ancestral home. Amanokrum. Have you gotten it? Yes. All the people over here are your family members. The chief is your chief. Anytime, any decision that is taken in this family, you are part of it. We'll call on you, we'll take your view, because we can't take decision without you, because you are part of the family. Now, you are part of the family. Have you gotten the picture?
Yes.
So after you, and when during the festival, you can come, we can call on you, come and witness the festival. Good.
Ama, usini, Yesu. Unni madini na, yama yikra obi okuye kaka. Ye. Ama.
Yeah, congratulations.
Ama actually me and the next year. What you answer the Ama, Ama, and you are not the Ama, and then I just ended the. Okay.
Ashiremia. Number. Ashiremia. So the king is going to present you to certificate.
Adobia. Amma. Nkwanso yo, ukwe, we adwuma ni ye na nya sika na fa bibre ye ne so ye nya bi ni wate. Kase yo.
You respond yo.
Amma adobia. Ene wudi ntu nkosuani. If you found number.
Bring. We are washing your feet to signify that you've been accepted wholeheartedly into this family, this royal family. Henceforth, any decision that is taken in this family, you are part of it. This big family, you've been accepted into it, you are part of it. Okay? Good. Anytime that we want to do anything, we'll just inform you that this is what the family is doing, because you're also part of the family. Yeah, you are now a family member.
Suni. No, menina.
Amadobia, water is life. We are giving you water, just to tell you that this is your ancestral home. Anytime that you come to Ghana, this is your home. This is your chief. All the people gathered here are your family members. All of us are your family members. anytime that you want to come to Ghana, as soon as you land at airport, you need to come and pay homage to Nana, come and greet elders. Before you want to do anything, you can do it. Because this is your home. Yeah. When we have a festival that we celebrate, when the time comes, you need to come and observe the festival.
Adobia. That you speak, everybody listens. Yes. Everybody will listen to you because you communicate to the public. Kwajo means you were born on Monday. Any Monday born male is called Kwajo. Kwajo, that means you were born on Monday. So Kwajo, and your traditional name is Dewu. That means you are a communicator.
Kwajo, and then if you want to go Asuna with you, say, where? But you do. Opa Ghana be a breath. Wamro, number Asuna. Yabi aim on.
Also painting Fakran man. Traditionally, we drink with the calabash, not with cup or jug. No, calabash. Water is life. This signifies that you've been accepted wholeheartedly into this family.
And then, Uba Ghana, was from Kojudu. Uba Ghana is over Nana Awuku search. Nangase, Wamuruku. Na, one in the book Oma. Everyone.
It's a beautiful fragrance to meet you. You're welcome.
And I won't know. Asuna. Aku yang buat usia. Jauh tu. Nah, saya uyo usia ni. Ubagana. Rana nasu yang langasa. Wa meruku. Nauna nunggu mang.
Your feet have been washed, which means you've been accepted into this ancestral home. This is your home. You've been able to trace your ancestors.
You like water?
Yes.
Abenkwasi ene yeje atumo asura kwa mbora busuam se wo ye busuam osumo uwiamo asura ye towa ese oba
Your name has now been changed to Obenkwasi. Say Obenkwasi.
And that was from
Obenkwasi. Good. Kwasi means you were born on Sunday. In this family, any little child that is born on Sunday is called Kwasi.
Yeah.
Yes. Good. The feet have been washed, which signifies that you've been accepted wholeheartedly, traditionally, into this ancestral home. This is your ancestral home. Yes, this is your first home. Anytime that you come to Ghana, that's where you are supposed to come first. Okay? Come and pay homage to Nana and the elders. All the people over here are your family members. Okay? Yes, you are part of the family. You've been accepted into this family. Good. Congratulations.
And wouldn't to and Yaw
Slowly. Okay. You need water? Water again.
Anna, if you want to say Yawaku, we are saying a camper. They should Oba Mukuma, Oba Gan Ha, Gramurukum, Asuna now and a woman. Yawaku, and then. Big what more, the grandpa, Asuna, Ebusiam, Sam, okay. Well, this is where I am here. The flow is and so.
So today, your name has been changed. Your name is called Yao Ekufu. Yao Ekufu. Yao means you were born on Thursday. Any male child that is born on Thursday is called Yao. In our family, Yao. And your traditional name is Ekufu. It's a royal name. Okay? Good. And your feet have been washed to signify that you've been accepted into this family.
Here, we take photos. Wow.
Kofi Bediako. Kofi Bediako. Kofi Awuku Bediako. Kofi Awuku Bediako.
And then you do what more. I asked my grandpa. The way of the and then you want to move as a grandpa of some cell. Oh, yeah, you understand. Oh, Bagana. So, Bash 9 one in the best. Okay, yeah, Obey. Kofi Bediako, Awuku, and then your whole answer you want to Asuna, every unborn, Abusiam. Sir, we end this year. You know, Asuna, every unborn Abusiam.
You know, Akufu? Huh?
Bro, that means slowly. Slowly. You're supposed to walk slowly.
Majestically.
Don't sit. Sit.
One.
Now, you are the Queen Mother Nana Ama Jimfua. Queen Mother, developmental Queen Mother of this family, of the Egwampore Asuna family. Any developmental project, you are supposed to assist the chief. Kwasi Odikan. Oye Amoro Krum. Yene. Asuna yo mpa chomo fanche me. Egwampore Asuna busunya ewa Amoro Krum. Yem kuntu yene ni. Yo. Owo America. Yo. Yem busunya owo America.
Mane
Yes. Ne mame enso na eye mpuntu yene ya. Kwasi Obinkwasi, you've now been Nana Obinkwasi, you've now been installed as the developmental chief of this family. Okay? Yes. Your mother is the developmental queen mother. Okay? And you are the developmental king or chief of this family, of this society. The family is within the society. Okay? Good. Hollywood, a one way America singing, and one way a Jumao. And to any packet to Akura, where you want the new Papa America Montenso, where American celebrities. Sana Yakwa, Jackie Apiam, and Sana wants to walk American to any packet to Akura. Momos amount. Yes, now you've been accepted into this family. You've now your developmental queen mother, and this is your developmental king. You're supposed to always pay respect to them whenever you go there. Yes, within this family, they are your leaders. So anytime that you are in America, you need to show respect to them. Yes. 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 If you have anything to say, we need to thank the chief and his entourage and the whole family for this wonderful occasion. So if you have something to say in the vote of thanks.
We are all honored to be a part of this family. We want to thank all of you for welcoming us. We're
To the Asuna family.
to the Asuna family, and just in all graciousness, my heart is full because you guys have shown us so much love, so much appreciation, so much really honoring of who we really are. This has been really an emotional thing for me. I don't know if it was for the rest of but this is really emotional, and I feel extremely connected to all of you. I will revisit my new family. I love my new name. Thank you. And we will abide by our King and our Queen Mother.
Yes.
Thank you.
You so a year occasion. Think I'm sure with a Brahmin if you already want to offer.
That's part one.
If you want to.
Nana Majemfua. Akaram. Nana Benkwasi.
Ọhịrị baako pẹ.
That's tradition. Custom demands that you are supposed to take this palm wine. This palm wine. This is up from the pumpkin porridge.
If you take the whole
Yes, this palm wine.
It's palm wine from palm tree.
Yeah, from palm tree. Fresh wine. Tap.
oh no, it's not
Take all.
Just drink.
So Aquaba.
Aquaba. We've written Aquaba. Aquaba means
Yes,
welcome.
welcome.
Yes.
So you put it around your neck. Now they are trying to comb.
So, Emmy.
Oh, the first thing is
Aquaba.
Aquaba.
That means you are welcome to this one. Mary. Where are you coming from, Mary? I think you are.
Yeah, you're coming. You come. You're coming.
Joshua.
Congratulations, Joshua.
No.
Next person.
Okay, go to it. Congratulations.
Keith. Your name is?
Yes,
Kofi. Kofi. Okay, Kofi. Congratulations. Congratulations. Yes. Next person. Kofi.
Kim.
Okay, Kofi. Other than Kim. Kim. The next person is Kim. Kim. Yes, the pay mother. Nana Majifua. Kim?
I'm Kim.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Janice.
Okay. Congratulations, Kim.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Look forward to Jenny, Nikki. Nikki Jenny.
Nikki. Okay, that was the last name.
Janice. That's the last name.
Nikki.
Robert.
Rory.
Robert. Youngkins. Congratulations. Thank you. The last person is Rory. Robert. Open for you, Devu. Yeah, for you, Devu. Rory. The communicator. Hi, Rory. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you.